When you got an idea you want to move on, you might not have the money, you might not have the education, you might not have the support or the resources you need. What is that something that can keep us going, that will enable us to act on our dream? What's one of those keys that will begin to help us to discover the secrets to our dream? Here's what I want you to repeat after me, please, with power and conviction. Say, it's possible. That's all I want you to do when you look at your dream. Just say to yourself every day, it's possible.
Hey guys, thank you for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I just want to share with you all a cool method of how you can easily start making $75 to $100 over and over and over and over. Yes, this is possible. It's simple. It's a business. Basically a business already set up for you, but you just have to put in the work, and it definitely is possible. So to make this $75 to $100 over and over and over again, we want to come over here to Fiverr. With Fiverr, everybody knows Fiverr is a freelancer website where people come over here and get a lot of things done for their business. You can get anything, you know, you already know what time it is, but we're going to come over here and we want to set up a gig with logo designs. Logo designs. See, logo designs are so simple, so easy. It don't take that much skill to be able to pump out a logo. You see these logos right here? Yes, we don't have to make these type of logos, but I'm gonna just show you exactly what type of logos we can make. So let me come over here to somebody that's just started making logos. So let me just tell you guys, like I said, anybody can do this. This person right here just started. They got 11 I guess they had 11 orders, then they got one in the queue. But you see right here, their standard is $100. Standard. Their basic is 50, standard is 100, and of course 150 for the premium. But you guys, look at these logos. Nothing too much special about them. Like, they rare logos, they look good, but they're basic logos, and you see how much they're charging $100, and they already made 11 sales. So they already made $1,000 just off of just putting logos together. Say like it's nothing out the ordinary. Let me come over here to another one. This person right here, they are top ranked, but you see they have 7,000 orders they haven't did, and then they got 17 that's in the queue. But look at these logos. Like you said, they pretty much the same. Ain't nothing too difficult about it unless you're doing it yourself. And I'm going to show you what you can do to make these type of logos. But you see, their basic is $70. Standard is $140. And the premium is $240. You guys, this is powerful. And like I said, they're just simple logos. Ain't nothing, like I said, they just basic logos. If you think you can do this, go ahead and set you up a gig with logos. Let me show you one more. Maybe I'll show you two more. This lady has 3,000, over 3,000, and 120 that's in the queue that they're working on right now. And it usually take her 3 days to do these, but her basic one is $85. A standard is $160, and their premium is $195. And they give you two logo concepts. You can come over here and just see what the veterans are doing, but this lady is killing. Let's just say the average. They're paying $160 per logo. Let's say times 300. What 3,884? What they're gonna give you? They're going to give you over $600,000 that this lady potentially made just off logos. That is the possibility of what you could be doing to make this type of money, man. And it can go over and over and over. And this one has 7,000 orders that they ever did, and they got 33 that's in the queue. And like I said, simple. I'm gonna show you how to make these simple logos, guys. Just a couple of things you would need, but like I said, they premium is $190 standard. Like you said, you come over here and just look at your competition, get your idea, and get your price range, in mind how you want to set it up. But like you said, the first thing you want to do to be able to do this, you want to come over here to a couple of websites. I got 3 websites that you can use today that you can start making these type of logos. The first website is called Poster My Wall. Like I said, just another design website where you come in here and design a lot of stuff, and it's actually free. They actually have a trial that you can do. I wouldn't recommend the trial just for starting off. You don't have to do the trial. You can actually do like the free version, just to see if you like it, see if you can make some money with it, and go from there. So let's come over here and just show you what we can do with it. So you come over here and just go logo. And you see, guys, you can come over here and play with this stuff. These ain't too different from, like I said, these ain't too much different. And like you said, you can come over here and just, so if you got a client that has, I don't know, let's just say, come over here and we want to turn that to a G, turn that to a L. Move that right there. LL. Let's see. Goals. And we'll just move this over here. I'm just show you to see how easy that is. And you can come over here and just, like I said, change the colors and do what the client wants. Like I said, you don't have to over exaggerate it. Like I said, they're, like you said, basic logos. We're not doing too much. Killed them. That's the first website you can use to make these simple logos. And like I said, you can charge between 50 to 150. And like I said, this person right here is a beginner. Not necessarily a beginner, but they just started this gig. Like I said, they just started. Like I said, only 11 people have purchased from them. And with this lady, 3,000, over 3,000 people had purchased from her. But you see what she got: 85, 160, 95. These logos are not that out the ordinary. But that's just this website, Poster My Wall. This is a good website to use to create those logos. The next website is canva.com. Everybody know about Canva. It's free to sign up. Like I said, another design website. And you come over here and just pick what type of logo you think that is good for your client. I'm just gonna pick this simple one right here. And you could just go in here and just change up a little bit, change up the things, put their name, put their information, put their slogan down there. This computer is slowing down, but you get the gist of what we're doing. Like I said, you come over here and just like customize it. You don't have to do the pro. If you want to do the pro, some people have the pro version. But it's not that serious. I guess once you start making money, you can start investing into your stuff. But you see that we're gonna put Jason. Boom. I can change the colors. Like I said, this is simple stuff, y'all. I already have a couple of gigs that I do on Fiverr, but like I said, these are simple. Like I said, they're not out the ordinary. They just regular logos. And the last one, the last one I wanted to show you is Luca. And it's an AI website designer, and you just come over here and do the exact same thing. And this is free too. So we're just gonna put we're gonna do my name, Jason White Pro. Come over here, and it should give us we're gonna do marketing. digital marketing. And these things look familiar? Don't they look familiar? We're gonna go this one. Blue. I'm like a black guy type of guy. I don't have a slogan. But if you had a slogan, you can definitely put that slogan there. What type of symbols would I like? Design, diamonds, creativity, symbol types. And they're generating our logo right now. And they have a paid version for this one as well. But you see so many templates, and you can send a couple of concepts to your client. So if your client, just send them a couple of them, be like, hey, I did 3 type of designs for you, check them out, which one you like better. And then we can keep it going like that. They want to switch it up a little bit, so say like they like this one. We want to continue as a guest. We don't want to sign up. Say if like your client, you send them 3 of them and then like this, but they say they just don't like the crown. Well, we don't have to do a crown. We can do something like that or something like that. And you just come over here and just please the client. See exactly what they want. Say they don't like that text font. We come over here and let's see. Can we change the text lowercase? But you get what I'm saying. And here's a mock-up version of it as well, where you can send to your clients as well. And you can do a lot of stuff. You can actually charge for these services as well. You can tell them, you could do letterheads. You could do your Facebook cover, your social media covers, your email signature, letterheads, business cards. We can take this image or this logo and do a lot of stuff with it. So basically, man, that's exactly what you'll do, man. You'll come over here to these 3 websites, like I said, check them out, use them, start you some gigs on Fiverr, simple logo gigs, and go ahead and start making this money over and over and over. Because out of these little 4 people I sent you, that's 33 orders they have that they're doing right now. That's 120 orders that they're doing right now. 17 orders that they're doing right now, and there's 1. The market is available for anybody to go ahead and get started to making these little $50 to $100 to $150 every logo design that you do. So that's not bad. So, but last but not least, I just want to show you, if you want to make more money, you want to start make $300 to $600 per commission on some simple copy and pasting ads to social media, you guys check out the link below. It's my full-time. This is where I make all of my money online full-time. I do a lot of other stuff, but this is my full-time income online because it pays bigger commissions. Now, if this is something you want to check out, man, just click the link below and check it out and let me know if it's something for you. Get started, and we can go ahead and get you the training and put you in your groups, and so you can start making some money online. But for the most part, man, that's exactly what you're going to do. Go to Fiverr, go to Canva, go to Post on My Wall, start you some gigs, and let's just start getting into this money. So hopefully y'all find value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.